Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 28th May 2025. Economic Outlook. US BTA trade boost. India's deal may unlock new markets and reverse export headwinds. Exports seen at $1T. Exports projected to hit $1 trillion in FY26 amid FTA-driven growth. Monsoon outlook raised. IMD hikes monsoon forecast to 106%, aiding agriculture and GDP outlook. Legal developments. Collegium transfers judges. SC Collegium seeks transfer of 21 High Court judges across states. Savarkar PIL rejected. PIL to regulate use of Savarkar's name dismissed by Supreme Court. Banking and finance. BSNL turns profitable. BSNL posts 280 crore rupees Q4 profit, aided by 4G and NIAS rollout. CMPDIL files for IPO. CMPDIL submits draft for IPO to SEBI to unlock PSU value. Indigo faces 2.7 CR fine. Customs fines Indigo 2.76 crore rupees, airline plans to contest decision. GST dispute on NBCC. Ministries clash over GST on NBCC's 1,500 crore rupees escrow fund. Lenders BPSL tussle. Banks seek damages from BPSL's ex-promoter over financial mismanagement. Corporate finance. OYO eyes third IPO. OYO revives IPO bid, targets $6.7 billion valuation in third attempt. Fleeta raises 113 CR. Fleets raises 113 crore rupees led by Indamart and BeNext for growth. BAT to sell ITC stake. BAT to offload 2.3% stake in ITC via block deal to investors. L&T defense expansion. L&T eyes 8,000 plus crore defense orders, up from 6,185 crore rupees FY24. AMNS gets 28,000 rupees SOP. AP offers 28,000 crore rupees SOPs to AMNS for steel plant phase 1. Info Edge posts 14% rise. Info Edge revenue up 14% YoY at 750 crore rupees on hiring portal gains. International affairs. US confidence recovers. US confidence at 4-year high after easing of tariff-related tensions. Germany top creditor. Germany surpasses Japan as world's top creditor after 34 years. Tax and compliances. Digital ID for homes. Digital address IDs proposed for integration into public infrastructure. Rural property bill proposed. Draft bill proposes online rural property registration and e-certificates. Investments and finance. FDI inflows at $81 billion. FDI rises 14% to $81 billion in FY25, highest in 3 years. Jio BlackRock MF nod. SEBI clears Jio BlackRock's mutual fund venture for India launch. Luxury real estate bet. Ultra-rich invest in trophy homes for capital and legacy gains. Green corridor planned. AP unveils 28,436 crore rupees green energy corridor to link replants. Coal and zinc bag mines. Coal India, Vedant win mineral blocks in 5th auction round. Financial markets. Sensex, Nifty end lower. Sensex ends at 81,551.63, Nifty slips to 24,826.20 after 625-point fall. Indices dip on F&O. Indices fall 1% amid weak global cues and F&O expiry pressures. Gangwal sells Indigo stake. Gangwal family sells 11,564 crore rupees stake in Indigo parent firm. LIC Q4 profit jumps. LIC net profit rises 38% YoY to 19,013 crore rupees on better margins. Oil drops on output woes. Oil dips 1.5% on OPEC plus output rise fears and US-Iran talks.